Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Infra with Rahul. In this day 7 of our Linux series, we'll explore more about ls command. So let's get started. Currently, I am under my Ubuntu terminal. In order to know a directory, as I said in my previous videos, we'll use command called pwd just to enter. So currently, I am under /home infra directory. As I said in my previous videos, ls command is used to list the files and directories inside the present working directory. Okay, just type ls and do enter. So inside home/infra directory, we have abc.txt file, demo, demo1, demo2, demo3 directories. Okay, ls is displaying the content whatever inside the infra directory. But how I will get to know the more information about these files and directories? What is the size of these files? What is the size of this directory? Who has created? When it was last modified? In order to get those information, we use ls-l command and just to enter. See, now in this output, we got lot of informations. This hyphen denotes a file in the beginning, and these are the permissions of the file. And D in the beginning denotes directory, which is also known as folders. And these are permission for this directories. Okay, and this denotes a owner, who is the owner of these files and directories, and this denote the group which this files and directories belongs to. And this section tells us about the size of the file and directories. Okay, and this shows April 26, 0637 shows the last modified date. Okay, now, okay Rahul, but how I will get this data in a human readable format? In order to get this data in a human readable format, just do ls hyphen lh and just to enter. Now, if you see the difference between both the command is, here it was showing as a total 16, but here if you see it is showing as a 16 KB. Okay, this you might be get confused. What is this 16? What is this, like a GB, MB, or a KB? What it is? But if you see here in a human readable format, we get to know the size in a human readable format. Like, okay, the total size is like a 16 KB, and if you see the demo 2, demo 3, demo 4, like for example, we have the size of this directory is like a 4 KB, and the size of these abc.txt is 0. Okay, so in order to get the for data in a human readable format, we need to use the option called h ls-lh. Okay, so now you might be getting question, okay Rahul, we got this thing, but how I will get to know the latest modified file or a directory? In order to get that, just do ls-lt and enter. Now if you see, the output is, also you can use ls-lth as well for human readable output. Enter. Now if you see, we are getting the latest modified files or directories in a series fashion. Okay. The same thing, if you want to get it in a reversible fashion or reversal trend, we can use called ls-ltr and just to enter. The same data has been displayed under reversible. Okay, so last was modified on April 14. After that was the demo 1 was modified after April 16. So this is how we'll get the output in a reversible trend or a reversible type. Now, this is a very important option as well, where interviewer asks you a question like, okay Rahul, how do you list the hidden files and directories? In order to get those hidden files or directories, we have option called ls-a, which is nothing but a all, and just to enter. Okay, let me use ls-la in order to get a proper with all the information. Okay, now if you see, earlier it was showing 16 KB, but if you see now it is a total 44 KB. How will we get it? So this ls-la shows everything inside the directory. So this dot denote is nothing but a hidden file, dot bash history, dot cache. This is a hidden directory. So whatever starts with a dot is called a hidden file or a hidden directory. Okay, this is very important uh, command where most of the interviewer ask. Okay, now one more thing. Okay, Rahul. Now I got your point. How we will find the hidden files or a hidden directories. One more question is, Rahul, I want to list the demo2 content. What is inside the demo2 directory? But I don't want to go inside the demo2 directory. How will we do that? Now just do ls, type the command and give the directory name. Or if you know the path, you can also give the path. But I know it's next to the infra directory. After infra directory, I will just give the demo2 directory name and just to enter. See, in demo2, being outside the demo2 directory, we can also list it, the contents of the demo2 directory. Okay, so now if you see, when I did ls demo2, we got there is inside a file called a.txt. So let's go and verify inside the demo2. So in order to change the directory, as I said earlier in my previous videos, we use a command called cd. Just do demo2, enter, and if you do ls, see the same output. Without going inside the demo2 directory, I showed you how to use this ls command. Also, if you know the path, you can give the path and you can get the data. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.